HOPSON Chemical Industry Limited is located in Ningbo, which is a modern international seaport city. We have been specializing in the tire repair field for more than 10 years to provide customers with a full range of tire repair materials and professional training services. We focus on the manufacture of tire repair materials under our own brand, HOPSON TYRE REPAIR. With many of our own patents, as well as professional engineers to provide customers with the superior qualified products and innovative services. We have a complete line of cold repair patch, Thermocure Aramid reinforced patch, repair strings, tire chemical, and tire repair tools. As a brand, HOPSON products with benefit of efficient and fast setting, safe and easy to use, high strength and excellent flexibility experience, thereby achieving a complete vulcanizing at room temperature, which is a top technology for cold vulcanized for tire repairing. According to the HOPSON repairs for large injuries on car or truck, with millions of on-the-road miles tracking detection and under all climates testing between winter and summer to be proved as top safe and reliable. After professional tire repair identification, the vulcanized bond strength of HOPSON products achieved the high level of international top brands. HOPSON has passed the TÜV ISO 9001 Quality Management System certification, adhering to the idea of professional products, excellent quality, continuously improvement, sincere service. We have been always able to do our best to satisfy our clients with outstanding quality and service to go beyond the value of the products. From raw material detection, designs, process control, quality testing, packaging through to shipping, each step will be strictly controlled. Besides the domestic market, HOPSON products are mainly exported to Europe, North America, South America, Russia, and Southeast Asia. We have agents in more than 20 countries. Trust Tire Repairs. Quality guaranteed. HOPSON made.